Alright guys, I got the Huda Beauty Nude Naughty Palette and I'm so excited to get this one. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. This was sent over by Huda Beauty. Thank you, Huda Beauty. I got this, came in with this packaging. I always keep my Huda Beauty palettes in their package plastic container. I know you guys are waiting for the swatches. Let's open the palette. How do you guys feel about this? That's the slippery. It's so pretty. Look at that. All the colors, they're chocolatey. This is actually the kind nude that I like. This kind of shades, just right in my alley. So let's watch it, shall we? It's so pretty, that marble. It is a cream, it's not powder. These marble ones, they're very creamy. And look at that, nothing is left on my finger, which is good. So that is the first row. Contained. Next, Irresistible. Oh gosh, that's beautiful. So creamy too. Flower Power, another marble. Oh, and it's so pretty. These marbles are super pretty. Flower Power, it has like pink micro glitters. It's like holographic, but it's gold. It's so pretty. I don't know if you guys can pick that up camera, but it's so pretty. I think that's my favorite shadow, Flower Power. Next is Rough Matte Color. Next is Spicy. Next is Arouse. These are super pigmented. Wow. I'm so sorry. I'm super excited. This is amazing. This palette is different from other Huda Beauty palettes. This is incredible. They changed their formula for the best. This is incredible. They're so creamy. Super duper creamy. Who says super duper? Nobody anymore. Next is Slippery, which is that yucky shade. Okay. Ooh, it has texture too. You can feel the balls. Okay, and oh, okay, so it's just a gloss. It's a pink gloss. Can you guys pick that up? Actually, very sheer. Cool. I like it. Next is Naughty. Next is Provocative. This is a marble shade. So pretty. It is, there are two colors, so you can see it shifts. Next is Desire. Wow. Are you guys seeing this? It's so beautiful. Fire! That's the color of fire. It doesn't do justice on camera. Why is that not picking up on camera? It's so pretty. It has this red, orange, fire color. Did I miss a shade? Yes, I did. I missed one shade right here. We're going to swatch that the last. Next is Juicy. It's a matte color. These mattes, super creamy. Last one is Tantric. These are not the usual Huda Beauty shadows. These are incredible. Brand new formulation. They're super nice, especially that there's so many colors here. I can't wait until I show you guys how to use this palette. My favorite color is definitely Flower Power. It's so pretty. It has so many different colors of glitters. And also I like this Passion. So this one is Filthy, Passion, Shameless, Please Me, Hypnotic, Hard, Untamed, Irresistible, Flower Power, Rough. This one is Spicy, Arouse, Slippery, Naughty, Provocative, Desire, Juicy, and Tantric. Provocative, the marbles. Alright guys, so this is it for the swatches of new Huda Beauty Naughty Nude palette. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please give it a like. Also, let me know what you guys think about this palette in the comment box below. And if you guys want me to create a look for this palette, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!